So let's talk about making money with System.io, but not as an affiliate. Everyone knows you can log into, or hopefully by now you know that you can log into System.io, get the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform. You can get a free account. The unlimited account is $97 a month. If you want to make passive income, you use this tool to sell something. Now, what is that something that you can sell? Well, one of the things that most people want to do is they want to become an affiliate, which is great, but that's not what I want to talk about. Now, you can add being an affiliate on to what I'm going to talk about here, but I want to focus on when you get inside of the tool. The idea here is you're inside and everything is empty. If you're just getting started, which most people are, and they log into System.io because they've heard that this is the tool that's going to make them money online, this is blank. But they need to build out these funnels. So they come and they click create, and then they're like, what do I do next? The idea here is for you that you need to step back and your focus is, how do I make money online? Well, there's a couple different options. You can dig for gold, so meaning that you can use System.io as a tool or a shovel to dig for that gold, or you can sell the shovels. Now, System.io itself is a shovel, so you can be an affiliate for it and you can sell that, but we're not talking about that. We're talking about using System.io or selling parts of System.io and using System.io to sell that. So you go back and you say create a funnel, and then you go and we'll just say test. We want to build an audience, and you go ahead and say save. You know all these things, or you're going to learn all these things, and then what you're going to do is you're going to sell the parts and pieces or the accessories that people need to build out their funnels. So once that funnel is created, when you select that funnel or you go in to start designing to set up the funnel, you have a squeeze page, you have a thank you page, but here you can click add a step. Here you can choose the type of page that you want to add in the step when you build out this funnel. Squeeze page, opt-in, inline form. There's all of these different types of pages. Now, System gives you these templates, but a lot of people don't want to use these templates, or they don't understand how these templates work or how to put them together to build out all the steps in a funnel. So go over to Fiverr, and Fiverr is where you can find services that are for sale. So this isn't passive income, but what I want to cover is passive income. But you could start here and think about these folks are selling, they're selling templates, they're selling services to set up these funnels for folks. Again, that's not passive, but it's something that you could do. The next step or the idea here is to go to Google, and this is the passive part, or it can become passive. System.io templates for sale. You can see that there are all these templates for sale. System.io has their own template library. Etsy has a template library. There's also this site called Funnel Vibe. We'll go and we'll check out the Etsy templates. Once you create these templates, or once you decide that you're going to sell shovels, your focus becomes you're digging for gold by creating these types of templates and setting them up for sale, or doing like what they're doing over at Funnel Vibe, the Ultimate System.io Funnel Pack, 7 done-for-you beautiful funnel templates. And this page is built, and you can see down here, make sure my face is out of the way, powered by System.io. So they're using System.io to dig for gold, but they're selling shovels because they are building templates. Now, once you design and build these templates, and there are a bunch of different templates that you can build and design, you can build and design sales page templates, landing page templates, opt-in page templates, thank you page templates. There's a link in the description that lists all these templates and also gives you step by step exactly how this is done. So you can see exactly like what Funnel Vibe is doing. They're using System.io as their shovel, as the tool to dig for gold, but they're selling the shovel as well. They're selling additional tools or templates. Now, a cool thing with Funnel Vibe, and I don't have any association with Funnel Vibe, but you can become a partner with them, and they're selling their services as a white label. So it's a completely different, or it's another dynamic here. Take a look. You could partner with them to sell shovels or to sell the tools. The focus here is thinking about digging for gold with System.io, understanding that, yes, you can get a free account and you can also be an affiliate. So think about this as you're selling your templates. If there are people out there that don't have or have never heard of or haven't upgraded yet, when you sell them a template, their template or the template that you sell them, when they're inside their account, and they click and they go to use your template inside their account, most likely most of them are going to have the freemium plan. They're going to at a minimum need to sign up for the startup plan, but they could go unlimited. And if you are an affiliate, you just tack that on the backside. The point of this video was to let you know that the focus here is to understand that System.io can be a biz op, or it can be used as a business opportunity. That's not my focus, and I don't think that should be your focus, but it is something, it is a way to start selling products. Or if you want to get into the world of make money online, you can look at this and say, I can look at System.io, and you could do this with any other funnel builder or platform out there, but look at System.io and say, if I could create templates and I could create training on how to utilize those templates, and then people that need these templates see them, I could create something or even partner with something like Funnel Vibe. Then I go back, I create these templates, I post these templates for sale, I start spreading the word, I create a YouTube channel, or I post on social media, or I start running ads. That becomes passive. The focus and the idea of passive is that once you set it up, it starts working behind the scenes, or you're making money while you sleep. So there's a link in the description that walks through this process of building, designing, and setting up your own template business using System.io. It's really a cool idea, and I think and I hope that the idea or it got the wheel spinning, and up here you're thinking now, okay, I see. Now I can use System.io to dig for gold, but I can also use System.io as a person that sells shovels, and I can create and sell templates, or I could partner with someone, or I could go to Fiverr and buy someone or hire someone to make my own templates and start my own template business. And ultimately, this might be the way for you to get started. And like I said, there's a link in the description. It'll take you over, and I've outlined exactly how to get started with this template business if it's something that you think you want to pursue. If you like this idea, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.